Bybit will be launching a new token on their Launchpool, and this is one of the best way to make money in crypto. So you want to come to the Bybit Launchpool. Right here you will see this Launchpool under this trade option, and new token by staking crypto on Bybit. So the total price pool in dollar value is 31 million that they have already done in this Launchpool, and 3 million plus participants and 35 projects. So make sure you stick to the end of this video to understand the process and participating in this event. And if you don't want to miss information on how to earn crypto or how to make money with crypto, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. So right here we have Morpho right here. This is second largest lending protocol on Ethereum and base with over 2 billion in transaction in deposit. So if you want to learn more about the project, you can come to their website right here and check their white paper and rules. After you've done that, you want to invest or you want to get more of this token, first thing you need to do is come to this participate now. So you are successfully registered for this event. Now let me explain this event to you. So it says right here coming soon, and right here there is this price pool of this event, which is 2.5 million of this token. It's going to be APR is going to be 960%. So the more people stake in this event, the the reward is going to be. So keep that in mind. And staking is going to start in 2 days, 1 hour 13 minutes 30 seconds. Remember, if you don't want to miss any update about crypto, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. And the staking period is going to last for 7 days. So that's going to be 21 of November 10 o'clock USDT time to 27 of November 10 o'clock USDT time. And the listing starts in 2 days, 1 hour 30 minutes. So once this listing starts, this pool is going to open, and you have option to stake this token, the native token of this pool. You can stake this token to earn more of Morpho, or if you have this MNT pool, you can stake your token to get free token right here. And you have option right here to use this USDT in this pool to earn free token. Note, the higher funds you have, the better reward you will receive. So, and right here there is this more reward for people who have VIP option right here. So, and once this staking open, you will be able to use this function to either use 3 of this pool if you want to participate in this event. And if you want to learn more about crypto and you want to make money in crypto, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. Let me know what you think about this Launchpool on Bybit, and I'll be there to reply you and interact with you guys. See you on the next video.